From my own opinion, Obos would have agreed to Mr. Teacher's terms of giving him his own court at the onset. But when teacher saw that they've killed most of his family, I think he wasn't interested in the court again. Mr. Efe thought saving teacher's fathers from Obo's hand will make teacher maybe change his mind and everything will be smooth. That was where the whole thing started getting messy. And everything is putting their family, both families, at risk. The attack, the like both families. Teacher told Efe to kill Obuz. Something changed in him. That line wasn't just a text, it was a taste. A taste of loyalty, fear, and how far he's willing to go. Efe had always been the quiet one, the smart programmer who never wanted trouble. So when teacher gave him that command, Efe stood there frozen, but deep down he knew what it meant. It's no longer small scam or coded tricks. This was blood money. That night he couldn't sleep. He kept hearing teacher's voice. Kill Obos. And Obos, his childhood friend, kept pushing. Guy, this is the game. You enter, do it, or you get done. Soon, the money started rolling in. New clothes, new cars, respect. Everyone suddenly saw him, but if he knew this wasn't peace, it was pressure. Because in their world, one mistake could mean death. He began to see betrayal creeping in. Obose was changing. Teacher was watching and the police were closing in. If he tried to pull out, but once you enter, there's no easy way out. He found himself trapped between guilt and greed, loyalty and survival. At a point, even his conscience became a voice he wanted to silence. And that is where this story turns from a man who wanted to make a living to one fighting for his soul. They said to kill a monkey, you must first become one. By the end, if he learns the hard way, not every success is worth your peace. Not every friend wants you to win. Before I moved on, I tried Okazi with ogbonoSoup. I don't know if you've tried Okazi in ogbonoSoup before. This is Okazi, the popular Afang leaf. We call it Okazi in Igbo language in Nigeria. So Akwa Igbo people call it Afang, but it's Okazi. So I tried this Okazi in ogbonoSoup, and I'm going to eat it with this fufu, apple, white man, whatever you call it in your place. Let me know in the comments if you've actually seen this movie I'm talking about, To Kill a Monkey. It's a Nigerian movie on Netflix, directed by Kemi Adetiba, something like that, yeah. I actually did a lot of cooking this weekend. I made Enla, the okra, white okra Yoruba version. It's called Enla, so you eat it with soup. And the beans you saw me selecting, I've cooked it. This is the end process. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give the big thumbs up.